Yeah, Tetherfi was started back in 2009 in Singapore with the objective to elevate customer experience and add convenience to a lot of these customers who are struggling in the legacy voice platform. And one of the key things that we focused on was to help customers deal with large enterprises using mobile and web and some of those digital channels, their own convenience. So the key bottleneck of customer onboarding was something that we started solving with using our video WebRTC media servers. And eventually we added facial authentication, deepfake detection, and some of those AI solutions to address certain problems. During COVID, we also realized the same problems were also being faced at the contact center, and especially agents were also in a similar situation where they wanted the convenience of work from anywhere, while the customers demanded the same convenience. So our new set of products was born called Agent Experience or Secure Work from Home. So we've been working with a lot of banks and regulated client base, especially Singapore being our hub, and top 3 banks in Singapore are our customers. And we understand security, compliance and regulation very well. And we also understand the challenges of adopting AI. And one of the biggest challenges has been success rate and ROI and all of that investment that is required for infrastructure to make the AI happen. But the companies that we are dealing with don't have that flexibility or the freedom to adopt these infrastructure to implement AI. And I think that's the challenge we saw as an opportunity for us, and we jumped into it. And now we have done all kinds of innovation to make sure that the AI is implemented at the edge. So we call ourselves an edge AI company because we want to make sure the AI is running close to customers' data in a regulated or a compliant industry. So while we have addressed a lot of our customers' expectations in Singapore market or Southeastern market, we also want to explore a market that gives us scale. We see a lot of future and opportunity in India, and that's the reason some of the roadmaps are around scaling our innovation and around AI. And I think there's no other better place than India for such a challenge which we can tap onto as an opportunity.
Hi, my name is Lakshman and I work as a global HR manager in Tetherfi. So if I have to define about culture, there are 2 main pillars according to me. One, it makes you future ready. Second, it gives an independence to fall. No matter which team you belong to, you might be an HR, you might be a developer, you might be a support guy, deployment guy, but it always forces you to learn something new every day.
Hi, my name is Jyotika Alwa and I work as a director in Tetherfi. The reason why we thought of incorporating a company in Bangalore is because we had identified that there is a lot of potential as in talent, and the potentials were not being used in Bangalore because they had to chase opportunity, and because of that they had to relocate. And my CEO, Vineeth Nayak, he had a brilliant idea. He identified that there are potential in Bangalore, but why do they have to go outside Bangalore to find opportunities? That is where the idea of incorporating Tetherfi in Bangalore was germinated, or where it started from.
Hi, I am Jaslyn. I work as the junior HR coordinator here at Tetherfi, and I've completed 2 years and 8 months, joined as a fresher. Why Bangalore is such an important and growing place for freshers. Of course, once you think of Bangalore, freshers will be like, no, I don't want to go there, I want to go to Bangalore, I want to go to the metropolitan cities. Over time, Bangalore has grown into a place where it's not rushing talent, but spending time to nurture it. For freshers, the opportunities given in this city are immense. Even the burnout rate of employees here are quite less. We are reducing commuting time. We are spending time also in sportive activities, something that people in metropolitan cities cannot.
Hello everyone, I am Barish Alwa and I work here as a senior software engineer, and I've been here for 5 years now. I joined in as a fresher post my BE graduation, did my computer science engineering from Sahyadri, and this was during COVID. So post COVID, I've been to 3 different countries, 1 site, and with an immense experience there. Working here in Tetherfi, it's a dynamic environment with a lot of experience to gain, and the working style here is what I thrive for. Being in the product-based company, it is a good opportunity for all the freshers joining here to explore themselves and learn new things every day. Coming from a culturally rich place as Bangalore, we being on site, we feel that we'll be missing out, or maybe some other place, we'll feel that we'll be missing out on experience. So that is the decision maker for me, that I had to be in Bangalore. I had to experience everything as well as work. So that is one good reason to be working in Tetherfi. And the work culture here, the experience, the exposure we get, so it's second to none.
I'm excited to be in 10 in Bangalore on Jan 23rd, 2026. I hope you all will visit us, Tetherfi's booth, and get to see what are the innovations that we have done with live demos, and looking forward to seeing you all there.
See you all at 10. Purerla bale, namala varondulla.